Hello everybody and welcome to FBCadCam tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use an input method. The input method means reading a list of values from the keyboard. First things first, we need to declare a variable named first name and last name by just typing the dim means dimension as string and name your variable like first name, last name, and age, and then press enter to move to the next line, and then type the input. Between the double quotes, just type enter your first name, and then after the comma you must call your variable name first name, and then in the line 3 you need to copy this code and paste it, and you need to change it for last name the same as your variable name. The same thing as line 4, you need to change this and to age, and you need to change your variable name as age. And then after you type the input methods, and just type print. Between the double quote you just type my full name is, then after that press comma. After the comma you may just add the variable names first name and a last name, then another print, and another print. Between double quote type my age is, press comma, then after the comma you may call the variable name age. Don't forget to write the slip in the end, and then save, and then let's just call this project input method. Then run. So in this output you want to input your first name and then your last name and then your age. So first things first, you need to enter your first name. My name is Kiko and my last name is Imperio. My age is 25, and that's it. The print will show is my full name is Kiko Imperio, my age is 25. If you want to make a space in between my first name and last name, let's just add this double quotes from spacing, and then you need to change it to semicolon, and this you will change it to semicolon as well. So you need to run again and see what happens. So enter your first name Kiko, my last name is Imperio, my age is 25, and this is the output. The full name is Kiko Imperio. As you can see, there's a space between my first name and the last name, and then my age is 25. And so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learn a lot. Leave a comments, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.